Yes, I think we are. Just a second, it's still loading for me. Yes, we are ready, so you have 3 minutes. Please take it away.
Great. So nice to meet you, everyone. Hello, my name is George Philactopoulos. I'm the CTO of Comidor. I have more than 10 years of experience on software design and development, and today we'll talk about Comidor. Comidor is a low-code hyper-automation platform. It contains all the tools that a business needs to adapt in a fast-changing environment by digitalizing its internal processes. What we do is we assist businesses to define their processes into independent applications, to automate them and execute them in an environment, providing valuable measures and analytics. Like that, businesses reduce the effort of performing daily tasks, they reduce costs, and they create value for the whole company. We do that using our proprietary technology, consisting of a set of tools like low code, no code, BPM, RPA, artificial intelligence, machine learning, document analysis, etc. We have a growing client base of more than 100 clients in the EU and the UK, like McKesson, Sky, and Yara. Our revenue in 2020 surpassed 1.2 million euros, and more than 30 highly skilled people participate in our teams, including software developers, business analysts, QA engineers, and marketing specialists. The problem we're trying to address is related to how companies try to achieve the digital transformation. We have large businesses which have a huge need of changing their legacy system at the moment, and to do that, they often use complex and expensive solutions, losing time in the implementation. Medium-sized businesses, on the other hand, they have limited resources, limited budget, and they try to use different tools which often do not cooperate with each other. In both cases, the result is increasing technical debt. What Comidor offers is an agile platform that can support changing companies during the growth period using composable and scalable business applications and intelligent workflows, but also enterprises which need a solid solution. Our clients now are medium-sized or large companies. Usually it starts from a small team who wants to automate a process, to create a workflow, to add intelligence, machine learning features in their applications, or even use some of the self-existing business apps that we provide. Those people usually are business analysts, IT-related personnel, data teams, system integrators, no-code, low-code developers. So we offer a solution that can work with any industry and any user, either business or low-code developer or software developer. How do they build applications? Using a visual design, drag and drop built-in intelligent components, create their custom models. Of course, local developers have tools to manage the whole application life cycle, like version control, auditing, access rights, AI, ML, and RPA components to achieve their hyperautomation. And the users themselves can monitor all their daily activities using dynamic dashboards and take advantage of smart chatbots to retrieve the information that they want. The market opportunity seems to be huge as the demand for BPM, RPA, and AI is increasing, estimated to exceed 67 billion by 2025. Of course, there are many players on the market from low-code, BPM, and RPA, but what we see is that they are not either affordable for medium-sized companies, they are not a unified solution, but they offer a mixture of different technologies, or they provide a very basic set of no-code features. Comidor, on the other hand, offers a unique, unified, scalable solution with a solid architecture, great flexibility and pricing, and installation models. Our plan for the following years is to expand Comidor Business Network and client base, but also to launch Comidor Studio, a product based on Comidor but dedicated to software development and data teams, as well as a marketplace where everyone inside our network would be able to contribute and share their low-code applications. Thank you very much.
Okay, perfect. Almost in time. So we have 3 minutes, 40 seconds for the judges to ask the questions. Please go ahead.
May I start, George? What is your typical customer? What is the persona that you're targeting, and what's the most common use case among them in terms of turning that case into low code?
So what we have done is we have created a partner network because a low-code BPM platform can target any industry. So we have partners who target specific industries and they build their low-code applications to sell them. For example, we have a partner who is special in asset management. He's able to build the workflows and the low-code application and sell them to his own market. We have others based on financial applications, financial sector. They build their application, they resell it to their own customers. Of course, we have a direct sales and marketing strategies in large and medium-sized companies, maybe in the HR sector, maybe in the automation sector, in the communication sector, we have built workflows. So it really depends. We are trying to have both partners and clients of our own.
Okay. And you didn't tell much about competition as well, George, just a side note.
So as you saw, Comidor contains parts that exist in the competition in different sectors. We have BPM, we have RPA, we have AI and machine learning, and low code. If we want to compete with an RPA, let's say software, we are not just RPA. RPA doesn't have the workflow engine that we have in the background to orchestrate all these things. That's why, from our experience, we see that the RPA projects fail so much because they don't have the orchestrator. On the other hand, a low-code platform that doesn't have a BPM engine, again, to do the workflow design and the process design that we are offering. If you are compared with a BPM, BPM doesn't have the low code and the intelligent AI components that we're having. So we're like an umbrella, unified solution that contains all those tools. And this is our target. We see that our clients are lost between different tools, a BPM software, an RPA software, another machine learning software that they build themselves. And they try to integrate all those together. It cannot happen. I believe that we believe that they need a unified solution to perform all those.
Okay.
Okay, so maybe you can say something about your business model.
Yes, our business model is basically to build a partnership network, not create, because we already have some partners. We want to increase it. We are in Europe, in the EU, and we want to expand in the US and in the Asia. Having partners give us the freedom and the agility to grow in different sectors. So a partner decides the sector that he wants to compete with. He knows the workflows. We help him build. We can offer it as a white label solution, and he can choose his market and sell it himself in this area.
If we have some time, can you also elaborate a bit more on your team, please?
As I said in the presentation, we are about 30 people. We have in our team about 30 people. Most of them are software developers dedicated to evolve the platform. As you saw, we are embedding all the time new components about artificial intelligence and machine learning and RPA. So we need a big software development team to facilitate that. But we also have business analysts, because these are the people who will use low-code platforms, who will use our tools to build their own workflows. We have marketing specialists and QA engineers about the testing and the support of our clients and our partners.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. Thank you for your pitch. Let's move on